Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wall-mounted garage vacuum that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Giraffe Tools Grandstorm Retractable Vacuum Cleaner. This product stands out with its innovative retractable 30-foot hose that automatically organizes itself neatly after use, saving you time and space. Its wall-mounted design is perfect for those who want to optimize their garage setup. In terms of functionality, this vacuum offers 4.4 gallons of capacity and delivers a powerful 20 kPa suction. It comes with 6 attachments, making it a versatile choice for tackling everything from liquid spills to dust and debris. The build quality is robust, but its 60-pound weight makes it the heaviest vacuum on this list, something to keep in mind if you need portability. The remote control feature is a convenient touch, allowing you to operate the vacuum from a distance. However, customer reviews indicate that this unit falls short in reliability and overall satisfaction. With a rating of just 2.4 stars, while its features appear promising on paper, the execution seems to leave some users disappointed. If you primarily need a vacuum for car detailing or garage cleaning and are okay with a heavier unit, the Giraffe Tools Grandstorm offers some unique features. However, its low customer rating and high weight may make it less appealing for everyday use. Pros: retractable hose, remote control functionality, versatile attachments. Cons: heavy, lower customer satisfaction. Coming in at rank number 4. The Vacmaster 5-gallon 5-peak HP remote control wall-mount wet-dry vac is a solid performer for those seeking convenience and power. This vacuum features a 5-gallon capacity and a robust 5 HP miter, delivering strong suction for both wet and dry messes. The remote-controlled handle is a standout feature, allowing you to turn the vacuum on and off effortlessly during use. With a 41-foot cleaning reach and 12 included accessories, it's designed for maximum versatility. The build quality is excellent, featuring a quick-release wall mount for easy storage and portability. The Vacmaster also converts into a blower, making it ideal for clearing leaves or drying surfaces. Noise levels are moderate at 72 dB, and its compact design ensures it won't take up too much space. However, some users report that the vacuum's hose is slightly less durable than expected, which could be a concern for frequent use. Overall, the Vacmaster is a great choice for users who value convenience and versatility. It's well-suited for garages, workshops, and home cleaning tasks. Pros: remote control operation, versatile accessory kit, strong suction. Cons: hose durability could be improved. At rank number 3, we have the Shop-Vac 5-gallon 5.5 peak HP wet-dry vacuum. This compact yet powerful unit is ideal for job sites, garages, cars, and workshops. Featuring a 5.5 HP motor and a 5-gallon capacity, it handles both wet and dry messes with ease. The standout feature here is its extendable hose, which ranges from 6 to 23 feet, allowing users to reduce movement and clean hard-to-reach places effortlessly. Plus, the included accessories, such as extension wands and brush tools, make it highly versatile. The build quality is durable and dependable, with a design that emphasizes portability and easy storage. Its wall-mounted functionality helps save space, and the top handle makes lifting and transporting it a breeze. At 70 dB, it's quieter than many others on this list, making it a good option for those who prefer less noise during operation. However, the smaller tank size might require more frequent emptying for larger cleaning tasks. With a reputation for reliability and high-quality manufacturing, Shop-Vac has delivered a well-rounded product. It's perfect for those who want a compact, efficient vacuum with strong suction capabilities. Pros: extendable hose, quiet operation, versatile accessories. Cons: smaller tank size. Ranked at number 2 is the DEWALT portable 6-gallon 5-horsepower wall-mounted garage wet-dry vacuum cleaner DXV06G. Known for its strong suction power thanks to its 5 HP motor, This vacuum is capable of tackling tough cleaning jobs. Its 6-gallon tank and wet-dry functionality make it ideal for various tasks, including liquid spills, dust, and debris. Plus, the blower function adds versatility for clearing leaves or drying surfaces. The remote control watch is a unique feature, allowing seamless operation without needing to approach the unit. DEWALT has designed this vacuum with portability in mind, weighing just 21 pounds and featuring onboard accessory storage. The 20-foot hose is flexible and durable, but slightly shorter than some competitors. Noise levels are moderate at 82 dB, and the vacuum's yellow and black color scheme gives it a rugged professional look. However, users have noted that its wall mounting bracket could benefit from a sturdier design. This vacuum is ideal for anyone who wants a high-performance unit with added convenience. Its robust build and versatile design make it suitable for garages, workshops, and outdoor spaces. Pros: strong suction, remote control watch, lightweight. Cons: shorter hose, wall mount could be sturdier. Finally, at rank number 1 is the BISSELL Garage Pro wall-mounted wet-dry car vacuum blower. This all-around performer delivers exceptional versatility with its 12-amp motor and wet-dry functionality. With a 4-gallon semi-translucent dirt tank and 7 versatile attachments, it's perfect for cleaning cars, garages, workshops, and more. The 32-foot hose provides an impressive reach, and the included blower function makes it a dual-purpose tool for handling debris and drying surfaces. The design and build quality are top-notch, with a sleek metallic gray finish and lightweight, maneuverable construction. At 80 dB, its noise level is reasonable for a vacuum of this power. The accessory bag ensures all tools are organized and within reach, while the included wall mounting kit makes installation a breeze. With a 2-year warranty and a customer rating of 4.5 stars, this vacuum offers reliability and peace of mind. The BISSELL Garage Pro is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a high-quality, all-in-one vacuum solution for their garage or car. Its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use makes it the best wall-mounted garage vacuum on the market. Pros: powerful motor, long hose, versatile attachments, blower function. Cons: smaller tank capacity compared to some competitors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.